The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Very good morning. Thank you for the sound check. Very good morning, guys. Today is Thursday, October 26th. Bots are cranking. We are currently up 1190. Crude has not taken a trade. I'll go over the bot trades in a moment. We'll look at charts, see what we might expect today. I don't expect much different than what we've seen. In any event, I hope you guys had a terrific evening. Yesterday was a fun afternoon. We just back tested on the ES and failed out of a zone we need to clear if we're going up. Bear with me 1 second, just changing the color. There we go. In any event, if you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back. Today is, of course, day 4 of your trials. Trials will end tomorrow. Today will be the last day that I send out an email with your options for membership. I don't send out emails on Friday. If you guys haven't seen enough with the room and the bots, then tomorrow isn't going to do it. But we're up 1190 so far. We also have a trade on the 1 minute. First target is hit. 1 minute was up, I want to say $6,000 yesterday. So this is currently in along with first target hit. And we'll see what we can get there. Here's the NASDAQ starting at 6 o'clock this morning. This is on our Unirenko. Took a long first and second targets. Took a short, all 3 targets. And then this long currently, both targets have been hit. So 3 trades, 3 winners. If you guys are trading, you should probably be done up almost $1,200. And this, of course, is crude. Has not taken a trade yet. I think it had 1 trade yesterday. It did. This is the trade from yesterday, which I killed just before we left. All 3 targets were hit. I have not turned on the 30 range as of yet. So there's no trades there yet. That won't come on until, as you guys should know by now, 9:30. Before I read the disclaimer, let's see what we've got today. I know we have continuing and initial jobless claims. I'm going to shut the bots off. A ton of Brazil, nothing. Preliminary wholesale inventories, not much. We do have a bunch of news at 8:30. Oh, we have annualized GDP. Bunch of news at 8:30. 9 o'clock, we have Waller speaking. Then, of course, after the close today, we have Amazon. In any event, I'm going to shut the bots off at this point, guys, ahead of 8:30 news. They are off. I don't want to be in a trade ahead of the news. So if you guys are newer with the bot, you should probably shut your bots off. U.S. government required disclaimer: futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. So before I get into charts, there's one thing I want to show you guys. First off, NASDAQ volume is heavy. 152,000 contracts have traded. We have a very small net negative delta, right? Most people would think we're probably coming down, right? Based on previous days. But if you understood order flow, you would be long back in here. 494 contracts traded, right at the volume point of control. Look at the blocks. A 50 block and a 360 block traded. Somebody either closed a short or initiated a net long of 360 contracts. Now we have Amazon earnings today. So maybe somebody knows something. I don't know. Somebody always knows something. I can't tell you if that's a net buy or if that's the closing of a short. But either way, it is a sign that you don't want to be short. Okay? We also had a 118 down here, but no blocks. But that is indicative of either initiating a long, which I would have done. I didn't see it. Or someone getting out, closing out a position. Okay, so when people ask me about order flow, here's another, a 78 with a 61 block long. When people ask me about order flow, is order flow objective or subjective? Order flow is not subjective. It's very objective. Okay? So we will be careful, of course, with any positionally type shorts other than trades. We're putting in higher highs, pulling back to previous breakouts. In any event, let's take a look at chart. Here we go. $400 area should be support. Maybe 401. Nope, I'm lagging. We're below that, 94. No, we're at 400. God dang, this thing is crazy. We're back to 15. We tagged briefly below 400 and we're back up to 07. I've got lag. Of course I do. I like SPX 4185 calls. I'm watching those. New high of the day. Anybody buy that 400? Anybody buy 400? All right, Albert. Nice job. 30 handles already. I can't trade. What do you mean you tried? It came to 90 quarter. No, you should have been pending. Anybody take SPX calls? There's a boom. I think SPX can get 4,200. All right. Here's where here's where that trade came from. 400, that zone. Nice job. Nice job, Peter. All right, fellas. I'm ready to trade. Lagarde still speaking. All right, I turned on the 30 range. Crude is short on the bot. The 30 range is now on. Christine Lagarde still speaking though, so 30 range long. All right, she's done. ECB conference done. Target filled. Target filled. One target only. We're chopping around in here. No sellers. Couple thousand net buyers. Come on, crude. Couple more. Got to break that whole number, which I always hate. This is where we're hanging out. What do we have at 10 o'clock, Derek? Putting in a floor down here on the 30 range. Come on, crude. Break the whole number. Give me first target. All right, now we're getting a small pullback. Come on, break 68. There we go. 45's target. 45 is target. We're down to 600. Call it 47. Going to have some support around 55, 54. Then below that, we'll get our target. If anybody is holding us short, we're down to under 500 on the net negative delta. Small buyers. No more buyers. 45, 46 is target. I'm sitting at 47. Come on. Come on. A little more push. A little more push. Break that 2-minute bottom. Holding 240-minute support on the downside. Come on. Break, you rat bag. We got 52, call it. I'm at 47. Come on. A little bit of support here. Should, whoop, got target. No, got target. 47 target hit and filled. Big trade. Guten trade. You guys good? Guys? Fellas? Okay. Still pressing to the downside. We have a small negative delta now. We're coming down, guys. Probably to 26. Next target is 30 if you're still running one. 31. Getting a pullback. Initial resistance 61, 356 maybe. Buyers are back in. I don't 30 range is fixing to go long here. If it crawls, if we get back above 65, maybe 66, 67, we're going to trade back up to 400. That failed, didn't go. Bot short. Last area of support here for the NASDAQ 32. That was my 31 target, 31 target. Now we're at the point of control. We probably get a small bounce here off this 26 area and then a breakdown to 10. SPY 412 puts, SPX 4150s puts. We just need this to break down below 22 and we're going to get target at 10. Below 22, we'll get target at 10. This is resistance.
President Biden saying the economy is growing as inflation comes down.
So here's ES. We traded exactly to 05 and right back into this zone we broke out at. If this holds, we're going back right back up. It looks like we're just going to get a bounce, a liquidity drain, and then a freaking crater. I'm looking for shorts again. Yeah, I don't have it yet. The only long I like is if we can clear 67 again. $30 range went long. Target one only. Back into support. I like the long here off these these lows. It's putting in a low. Selling is dried up. It's got to get above 49 and we'll get 54. 30 range is now short, but I don't like it. Should have flipped into a long. Out on that. Well, not yet. Didn't take it out. We're flat. Here's where we're at. Sellers coming back in, but they're really small. Target hit. Both targets hit on the bot. Broke support. We're putting in a new low, or I mean in the swings here. And now we're getting some gas on the momentum. 10 is next target. Here it comes to that 10 half. I'll try that long down there near 10. There's going to be a pullback short to that 10. Some buyers showed up. I'm going to short this here, guys. I'm trying. Wait a minute. Come on. Sellers are increasing again. All right. I try to short at 29. Target one hit. I'd like to get this to break down to 10. So let's call it 12. Nope, not what I want. Let's call it 12 on the target. And then we're coming into the potential long. Come on, breakdown. Give me the 10. We got 13 half. Give me that 10. Come on. I'm flat. Boy, this volatility is nuts today. Absolutely nuts. Pending home sales, guys, coming here. Bot shorted again on the news. Should have shut that off. That's my mistake. I shut the 30 range off. I didn't shut this off. Out again. That's my mistake. Should have shut it off for news. I'm going to short again. Bot shorted again. Got me, fucker. It's a short. It's a short. It's not a long. Rat bag. Another short. Push. Come on, sellers. Hit target, didn't fill it. Oh, missed it by a tick. Got it that time. If we break down below 10, this is going to get punished. This is where I like the long. I'm going to try the long. Off 10. Come on. Got to hold 10. Nope. Not holding 10. Yeah, ES is breaking down hard. It's still trying for the long here. Still like the long here. Back above that 10, right back to my entry. Still like the long here. Back up to resistance at 23. It's volatile as hell, fellas. I mean, it's crazy volatile. It's still telling me shorts. .30 range is long. Target 1. Target 2. 30 range up 605. Guys, we have 600 net sellers. We're going to have a hard time breaking below 90. Hard time. That's the 200-day moving average. I had to shut down right at another short, right at the open. Target one filled on the bot. Both targets filled. Should bounce along here again off these lows. Need to come up through 11 or 12. There's targets. $30 range wanting to go long. 30 range is long again. If it gets above 33, it's never mind. 30 range is now up 855. I mean, we can't dump. Bot shorted again. But we're going to have a hard time breaking unless we break below 88 and then it can dump. Short of that, it's not going anywhere. You've got 11 sellers here on a 3-minute bar. 20. Now buyers. I'd rather try the long here again. Target one. Big deal. Needs to break down, guys, below 96 right here. If that 96 caves and if they get sellers, which we don't have, now we've got some. Now we can get 80. And then below that, we get 70. Got a buyer that just showed up. Yes. See how green we are in here? There's just no volume on the sell side. Look, we have 1,000 net sellers. It's nothing. And buy that up in 2 bars. We're holding the bottom of this zone. Okay, out here. So I'm telling you, they keep drawing shorts and they're killing the shorts. This is the better spot for a long. Unless they hit them. And there's just, I mean, we're not going anywhere on 20 sellers, fellas. 37 sellers. If we get a 5-minute close above that 301, I like the long. This is some trappy stuff. Trappy stuff. 30 range is trying to turn up. Still prefer the longs. If we get above this 02, we're going right back to 11. 30 range is long. That 11 is now resistance though. If it gets above that 11, it's going way up. Almost. Come on, dingbat. Give me target 1. Target 1 filled. We're going to 26 again, I think. Up 960. We failed this last area, but we're coming right back into these lows without any volume. 30 range has not had a losing session in I can't tell you how long. I don't know what you're using. There's the long and the 30 range. This should trade up to 11. Got small buyers. It's got to get back above 8. Okay. So far holding stop. This is the original bot. This isn't the trend bot. All right, I'm going to shut this off for now because I don't want shorts down here. Target 1 filled here. Let's see if we can get a break. Now we're breaking down. We're trying to. We're trying to. Took 10 trips. And right back up. They're just torturing these shorts down here, man. It's why I can't take shorts down here. This is my opinion is we're going to get a bounce to at least 25. There's another long on the bot. Both targets hit back up. Now I'm shutting this off for now. There's the 11 target we were looking for on the previous trade. We're going up. I don't think we're going down. I need a 5-minute close though. Another short. I need a 5-minute close above 97 to go up. We could drift down to 70. There's target 1 again. 72 is a target on the downside if we can get any damn momentum. Target one again. This is starting to look 5 minute. Now again, unless we break out, it's moot. $72. If we get above 16, we're going 371. If we get above 316, the target is 371. We are going to bounce, I would think, 72, 71, 72. We're farting around with the 200-day moving average, guys. That's why we're not breaking down hard. Couple thousand net sellers. I'm going to try a long here. I took a long. Never mind. Hit target so fast. Right off this bottom. We're going to try to bounce back up. We could come all the way back to 97. Below the day low, we may get a flush. Anybody take SPY or SPX puts when I said it? 4150s are almost in the money. You're at 55.65. Okay, Peter, you're almost there, man. Putting in a base. And it's lining up with this bull flag. Again, unless we break up, it's immaterial. But I think we're going up to 97. I don't have many buyers. A couple hundred. I still have the trend bot set. The 30 range bot set for longs only. Here comes a long. So we got 97 target, right? From all the way down here. Now we need to break above 98 and then 300. We have buyers, 500 buyers here. We get above that first target. This second target, you might could get to 25. Oh, come on, baby. Still resistance, may get a pullback in here. I'm honestly not digging this choppy little range. Almost. Almost. Come on. Got 1 minute resistance. It's 1 minute at 02 quarter. So it's really nothing. Above that first target, I think we're going to go. We're just stuck at this. Come on, homeboy. All right, we're above. We're above. We're going to get that next level up. 300. There's target number 1. There we go. Now we're going to trade up to 11 again. Above 11, we're going 36. Now they're buying them two-fisted. We're back down to 1200. We're going up, guys. We're going up. Here's target now, 36. Let's get this out of here. Let's go 34, 33. 36 is target. Told you we're going up. That's why these shorts on the bottom, these, you get a couple of trades and then next thing you know, you get decapitated. By the way, the bull flag's working.
Target filled.
30 range up 19 hundo. We gotta do it. All right. Intermediate top. You guys good? I can't diagram it any better. You guys good? Now we need a push. We need to clear building a bull flag on a 15-minute. So we got the breakout on the 5. Let's see if we get a pullback and back test the breakout, but we're getting it on the 5 right at that S1 pivot, right? They're going to clean the shorts clocks, my opinion, until later today. Now I need to get above on a 15-minute bar here, 37.38, and we're going 48 target 1. Level to level trading, guys. Easy peasy. I can't share it. It's not mine. But I'm working on it. All right, so we're pulling back off this intermediate high or this intermediate top. Now we need to break above the intermediate top, right? So I still have the 30 range set for longs only. So here's where we're stuck. We're stuck at volume point of control. I'd like to see us come back and test the 5-minute breakout. And that's where we want to be long on the back test of the breakout, which also has daily support at 98. The 15-minute hasn't broken yet. So my area for a long ideally is 96 and below that 92 30 range, turn it up again. I'd really like to see a back test of that breakout. Right around the whole number, give or take. That's where I'm long. There's the back test. Come on, a little more. There it is. I'm long in PA account, 3 contracts. Didn't go anywhere. Not doing shit. No bounce. Had a few bucks. Closed it. I'll be long again, guys. I'll be long again. Come on, break up. That's it. That's all you got. Does not want to break up. All right, let me go to an ATM. We back tested. This should hold. Sellers are small in here. That didn't give me the long. It failed. Long 41.50. What's P's? Puts? Or 415? What? I don't know what you're saying. You're still holding 41.50 puts. Got it. Yeah. Small sellers in here. We did have a block seller, 60 contracts. It's into support here. There it goes. Buyers coming in now. I mean, this is where we should go, guys. This zone. Couple hundred sellers. We've got really good support at 92. It's not holding it. Nope. All right. Pull back for shorts. And I think we're going to work down to 67. Maybe 69 again. A break of 69. We're going to come to the overnight low, 57. We're still pushing that damn 200-day moving average. If that would break, we're good. We're coming to 66, next move down. Whoop. Going to be some support at 72. Small bounce off 72. Maybe a bounce now back to 91. Held 72 again. This is putting in a floor again. Sellers are trying. Looks like we might have double bottomed. We did. We're going to bounce long. We're setting up for a bounce long. Still holding 69.50. It just, there's sellers here, but they can't break this. It's the 200-day moving average. This is what I played around with a couple days ago. $52 is next target on SPX if it breaks down. There's the bounce back to 90. I can't get short down here, guys. I know what I'm fighting. And I don't have any buyers. We're now running into the bottom of the 10-minute cloud. If it pushes up above 13, we're going back to 27. So now we're looking for pullback longs. There we go. Back down below 800 on the net negative delta. I'm going to move this stop to first target. I think this can get 26 though. Oh, got it. Damn it. Couldn't move it fast enough. There we go. They just bamboozled the shorts again. There's 26. Now if we can work above 20, we broke out of that bull flag again, and the 15-minute is trying. All the 15-minute did was chopping this flag. We break out above here, we're going up, and they're going to decimate shorts. VWAP is next target. 10-minute has a 10-minute trend line. If it breaks, we're going 45 pretty quick. $206 fire with 195 contracts bought at 15 quarter. We're definitely going up, guys. We're going up. We're going up. 200 contracts is not some retail stiff sitting in an igloo in Alaska. Here's your pullback entry. Come on. Push here. Push. Come on, you dog. There's target one. Come on. Let's go. Push up to VWAP. There we go. There we go. Go get VWAP, dog. 47.48. Come on, dog. I like it. I like it a lot. Come on. Oh, close enough. Now we're going to break VWAP. And we're going to 74. Next target up is 63 and then 74. So wait for a pullback. We're back to a positive delta. Now I need a pullback on the 1 minute. So I was down 600 in PA accounts. I'm down $15. I need a 1 minute pullback. Bounce VWAP. If we break up here, it's gone. It's going to 74. Come on, give me a 1 minute pullback, please. Nope, not going to get 1,100, 1,200 buyers here. 74 is next target. All right, here comes our pullback entry. Come on. We just put in an interim top, but here, that's our entry. Come on. Come on. We failed that 240 minute, but I'm telling you, we're going up. Push. Let's go. We should get up at least to 64. It's the stamp 240 minute resistance. We have buyers though. Come on. Oh. Yeah, I'm not a Fibonacci guy either, man. Are you a Fib guy? I only trade order flow. That's it. I trade order flow. That's all I care about. What do the numbers tell me? And if I do, look at the buyers. So here's the problem I have with Fibonacci's. You're saying it's a 50% retracement. Well, if it goes 57% and fails, Fibonacci guys will say, it's 50, it's still 50%. We're going up. I told you where we're going. We're going up. All I care about is buyers if we're going long. If I were going to trade a Fibonacci, I like the 61.8. But here's the next target. We got to get above 73. We're going 85. So what am I looking for now? I'm looking for a Gann swing on the 1 minute. How about that, Lewis? I'm teasing you. What happened, guys? We broke out on the 15-minute. Where did I tell you the long was? 35.50. Where'd the buyers come in? Anybody take the long? We're rocking, fellas. How do you think them shorts feel right now? I still want to be long. We're at value area high, but I can't even get a pullback on a 1 minute. This has been straight up since 285. 100 handles on a 1 minute. $3.99. $4.13. Maybe 04. Here's your pullback long entry, guys, on a 1 minute. 93.94 is next target if you're long. 93.94. Some overhead resistance between there and 430. Another block buy. 50 contracts. Long at the close of the candle, but you can take it long now, but it's 1 minute candle isn't closed. Bear with me 1 second, guys. It's the last trade of the day, guys, on the bot. We're going up. I missed it at 60. Damn it. 10-minute support is about 63. It's coming into the top of the hour. 63 is the turning line on a 10-minute. Below that is 45 at give or take VWAP. We're holding that 63. Target 1. And this is where I'm going to try a long at 55, 56. $57. Both targets hit. What you want, VWAP? Come on. That's it for the day, guys. $2,400 on the bot on the 30 range. Out. Still holding support here on the 10-minute. All right, fellas. It's 11 o'clock. So here's what we got. Let me do bot. Let me shut that off. 30 range is up 24.30. $24.30 minus 725. 1705 combined. The big loss was in crude. This failure here. Crude had a failure here. Still overall green in the 30 range, which I taught you guys crushed it again. Anybody have any questions? Guys, I will send out one last email today for those of you that are on trial.